Head over to search and then type in File Explorer, click on it. And then you want to head over to this PC and you want to select the drive where Windows is installed on. So for me it's on the C drive. And then you want to head over to Windows and then you want to scroll down until you see Software Distribution, click on it. And we're going to delete all of these files. These files are from a previous update of Windows and you no longer need them. So we're going to just delete them. If you get this, click on Continue and delete all of these files. Next, we're going to head over to the recycle bin, right click on it, empty recycle bin, and delete everything. For the second method, head over to search and then type in run, and then you want to type in clean mgr. Click on it, and then you want to select the drive that you have Windows installed on. So for me, it's a C drive, I'm clicking OK. And then you want to make sure that everything here is ticked, and then click on clean up system files. Select the same drive and click on OK. Once that's been done, this will come up. Make sure everything's ticked, click on OK again. Click on delete files. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in task manager, click on it. And then we're going to head over to startup apps. Now we're going to disable all of the apps that we don't want running when our computer starts up. So for example, I don't want Logitech G up to start up, so I'm going to click on it and click on disable. Do that for all the apps that you don't want to start up when your computer turns on. Next, we're going to head over to search, type in CMD, then we're going to run it as administrator. Click on it, click on yes. And then we're going to type in here, SFC space / scan now. Click on it, and then we're going to do the scan. For the last method, head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings, click on it. And then we're going to head over to other troubleshooters. With this load, then we're going to click on Windows Update, click on Run. And just follow all of the steps that come from here.